Hare Krishna. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, as it is chapter 2, text 56. Dukeshu anudvigna manaha sukeshu vigata spruha vitaraga bhaya krodha stitadhir muniruchyate. Translation. Dukeshu, in threefold of miseries, anudvigna manaha, without being agitated in mind, sukeshu, in happiness, vigata spruha, without being interested, vita, free from raga, attachment, bhaya, fear, krodha, and anger, stitadhir, whose mind is steady, munihi, a sage, uchyate, is called. One who is not disturbed in mind, even amidst the threefold of misery, or elated when there is happiness, and who is free from attachment, fear, and anger, is called a sage of steady mind. Purport by Srila Prabhupada. The word Muni means one who can agitate his mind in various way for the mental speculation without coming to a factual conclusion. It is said that every Muni has a different angle of vision, and unless a Muni different from other Munis, he cannot be called a Muni in the strict sense of the term. Narshorishiriyasya matanna bhinnam. Mahabharata Vanaprabha 313.117. But a Stitadhar Muni, as mentioned hereby, Lord, is different from an ordinary Muni. The Stitadhir Muni is always in Krishna consciousness. For his exhausted all his business of creative speculation, he is called Prasanta, or one who has surpassed the stage of mental speculation and has come to the conclusion that Lord Sri Krishna or Vasudeva is everything. Vasudeva Sarvam iti sa Mahatma Shudullabha. He is called a Muni fixed in mind. Such a fully Krishna consciousness person is not at all disturbed by the onslaughts of the threefold misery, for his aspects all miseries are the mercy of the Lord. Thinking himself only worthy of more trouble due to his past misdeed, and he sees that his miseries by the grace of the Lord are minimized to the lowest. Similarly, when he is happy, he gave credit to the Lord. Thanking himself unworthy of the happiness, he realized that it is due only to the Lord's grace that he is in such comfortable condition and able to render better service of the Lord. He is always daring and achieve, and is not influenced by attachment or aversion. Attachment means aspecting this for one's own sense gratification, and detach is the absence of such sensual attachment. But one fixed in Krishna consciousness had neither attachment nor detachment, because his life is dedicated in service of the Lord. Consequently, he is not at all angry even when his attempts are unsuccessful. Success or no success, a Krishna consciousness person is always steady in his determination. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.